Hi everyone, it's Amanda and welcome to my channel. I have a little mini album that I created that I wanted to share with you today. And this is using a new paper line, or at least it's new to me. It is Stamperia Patchwork. It may be Stamperia, I'm not sure. The company is, I believe, from Hungary, but it comes through the UK to the US, I believe. I'm not sure. Feel free to correct me on that. But I bought this paper. As soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to do something with it. I really loved the mixed media aspects to it. So like the front of the album is, it takes hands to build a house, but only hearts can build a home. And I cut, did some fussy cutting from the paper. And then I took a kind of borrowed a process from MB Gray, and I'll put a link to her YouTube channel before, but she uses Mod Podge to make these a little bit more sturdy, so I did the same thing. And then on this little cut apart, I did some gesso, then some paint, and then Mod Podged it, just to give it a little bit more of a mixed media effect. I did the same process on the spine, and the spine is 2 1/4 inches, and I only Mod Podged the little fussy pieces. I did not Mod Podge like all the paper and everything. And then this is what the back looks like. So this is 5.5 by 5.5, and when you open it up, it has a stacked hinge binding system, if you can see that. And I'll put a link to the person who created that binding system, so in case you want to see some of her videos. And then on the front cover, I just have a little pocket, and it has a pull apart with a tab, and then you can put a photo or journaling on the back. And then on the first page, I have, a little booklet for pictures and journaling, and a little cut apart here. This has also been Mod Podged. And then it also has a pull apart for a photo or journaling. That's the first page. The second page has a belly band that I took from a measuring tape, and I put it as a belly band. And then this is one of the cut apart tags from the collection, and it just fits right nice and neat there. This here is another cut apart, and this has been Mod Podged. It opens up with a magnetic closure and then pulls out for a photo or, a couple photos or journaling. And it just slips right back in there and closes. And then here is the inside, and I made it, symmetrical. So it opens up, and then this comes together this way. You can put pictures here, or, add more memorabilia or something like that. There's a picture frame here for a photo, and then another cut apart tag in a little pocket sleeve. And then I created an overlap here just because there was so much paper that I loved that I wanted to, add more to it. I think I'm going to have to Mod Podge or trim these edges here because they're getting wrinkly. But I also could have made, these spaces, the gussets, a little bit closer and probably added in a new, another section, but I didn't. So then this next section has another pull out for and a magnetic closure for picture and journaling. And then I did a cut apart of one of the teacups and put Mod Podge on it, and put foam tape on there. And then I have this little tag that I created from the paper line, and there's enough space here that I can have more than one as well. And then another pull out. I just love this paper so much, and I'm probably going to end up getting more of it because there's so much I want to do with it. As I'm working, I'm coming up with more and more projects because it has that, patchwork look to it and mixed media look. Another little booklet for photos. Another Mod Podged cut apart, says with love. And then another tab here with a pull out for journaling or a picture. I absolutely love this mini album. There's a little wooden star there. and I had so much fun making this, and I hope you enjoy reviewing it with me. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. So thanks a lot, guys, for viewing my video, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.